Hello everyone, my name is Belisna Fitriati. You can call me Belin. I am 19 years old. I live in Sukoharjo and now I study at the Duta Bangsa University. So I want to explain term in pharmacy, specifically about drugs. A drug is any substance that causes a change in the physiology or psychology of an organism when consumed. Medicine consists of several types, such as pill, capsule, tablet, suspension, ointment, and others. Medication must include instruction for us, dosage, indication, contraindication, side effect, and drug interaction. The first is instruction for us, usually including a cue to taking the medicine, such as taking the medicine 3 times a day. Secondly, the drug dose is a measure of the amount of drug that can produce the therapeutic effect on the body function affected by the disorder. Drug dosage is usually determined based on the patient's age or weight. Drug is indication information that explains the purpose of using drug to treat certain diseases. The fourth, contraindication, is information about certain conditions that mean the drug should not be used. Next, drug interaction, the effect that occurs when the drug you are taking comes into contact with other substance or drug. Lastly, side effect, namely effects that are not the main aim of treatment. Side effects can occur immediately after using the drug or long-term use. There are 3 types of drug classification, namely over-the-counter drug, limited over-the-counter drug, and hard drug. 1. Over-the-counter medicine have a green circle logo with a black outline. Over-the-counter medicine can be sold freely on the market without a doctor's prescription. An example of a drug is paracetamol as an analgesic and antipyretic. 2. Limited over-the-counter medicine have a blue circle logo with a black line. This drug can be purchased freely without a doctor prescription, but has special warning when using it. An example is CTM. And the last one is hard medicine with a red circle logo with a black outline and the letter K in the middle. Hard drug that can only be purchased using a doctor prescription. An example is amoxicillin. Apart from these 3 types, there are also types of psychotropic and narcotic drugs. Psychotropic are substances or drugs that are naturally or synthetically not narcotics. The effect of psychotropic can affect the central nervous system, hallucination, and dependence for user. Examples of psychotropic drugs are phenobarbital and diazepam. Narcotic are drugs that can come from plants or not, whether synthetic or semi-synthetic. This drug can relieve pain or soreness and cause dependence. Examples of narcotic drugs are opium, morphine, and heroin. Over-the-counter drug, limited over-the-counter drug, hard drug, psychotropic drug, and narcotics are examples of synthetic drugs. Apart from that, in Indonesia, there are also non-traditional medicine such as jamu, which is included as herbal medicine. There are 3 types of traditional medicine, namely herbal medicine, standardized herbal medicine, Orvate, and phytopharmaca. Herbal medicine are labeled with a green plant or tree logo with a green circle. The basic ingredients of this type of herbal medicine are made from plants or plants that have been processed to obtain their properties. An example of herbal medicine is tolak angin. Standardized herbal medicine are marked with 3 stars with a green circle and a yellow background. OHD has gone through a preclinical process to determine its health standard or efficacy. An example of a drug is diapat. Phytopharmaceutical have a green ice crystal symbol with a green circle and a yellow background. Phytopharmaceutical made from natural herbal ingredients are processed using high technology. Phytopharmaceutical drug testing has also involved humans using scientific criteria and following approved test protocol. An example of a phytopharmaceutical is Timono. That's all the information for me. I hope it's useful and thanks for your attention. See you guys.